It's Friday, July 12th, the Supportworks National Build Day.
Well, it's probably something that most of us take for granted, but plenty of children in our community don't have a real bed to sleep in at night.
One community, it's our value that we have. Today, we're going to demonstrate it the biggest way possible.
We create a fun environment for people. We create a meaningful task for them. We're building beds for children. We are SHP.
Want to meet him and learn more about how we can help? All right, let's do it. Luke, come on out, buddy.
You know, mundane sanding and what may seem, drilling, things that we do every day. Talk about the sublime when by the end of the day, when you see that stack of wood now be 20 beds, and when you go and deliver a bed to a child who's 15 years old that has never slept in a bed, it changes you.
We talk about ripples a lot in our network and how those ripples have a positive impact on our lives and in the world and places we don't even see. This opportunity right here to join together, build beds for kids in need of each of your communities is a chance to make ripples of positive change and truly make the world a better place. I want to say thank you guys for taking the time, volunteering for this, representing this awesome company, and partnering with us to build these beds. So let's give them a round of applause, guys.